Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have a Hayward push-pull valve that's leaking. You see this rust build up here. Notice the pan underneath it to catch it. So what's happening is it's dribbling out right here on this shaft. So let me show you what's going on. I'm gonna go ahead and release the pressure on the tank. That's gonna let the water level drop. So when I pull the valve out, we don't lose all the DE. Loosen this collar. And we'll pull that out, and that'll expose this piston. And let's see, yeah, there you go. Look at that. I don't know if you can pick it up in the video, but it's so pitted right here. You can see through it. Like there's literally holes in it. Okay, so here's the real question. We know it's rusting out, but why is it rusting out? Okay, so why, if you look at this one, we have a chlorinator really close to the backwash valve, so that chlorine gas will cause that. But this one, if you notice, this is actually uphill. So on this one, as soon as the equipment shuts off at night, this is filled with chlorine gas, and that just settles, and gravity just allows it to trickle back, and that's what causes this shaft. Once it's down in there, it's exposed to the chlorine, and it just completely eats that metal up. So see this all the time on these Hayward slide valves, especially if there's a chlorine feeder right there close. So what we're going to do on this one, we're going to replace this piston assembly. That's easy, but we've got to take this rise out of it. So I'm going to cut the pipe over here. We're going to drop that a couple inches so that it slopes that direction, and that should take care of our problem. So let's get it done. You can see the new one compared to the old one, just completely different. So, all right. That comes from the factory already lubed up, so I'll put that in. And there is a slot that drops down in. We'll have to reuse the old cap. Put that on. Okay. That part's easy. But the part we have to do is eliminate this, because if we don't fix this, then we're going to replace that again later. Take this, all right, we're going to bring that down. Actually going to put the level on it here so that we can get it down so it's slightly downhill. Okay, there we go. Got it rebuilt. You see the level now. It's hard to see that in there. There you go. We're downhill now, so should be in good shape. Hopefully that will bring an end to our problems. All right, guys, so if you got one of these valves that's leaking, be sure you find out why or what the root cause is. This is just a symptom of a bigger problem, so make sure you look, and a lot of times you'll find that it's that right there. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.